Friends, let me introduce you to Miss Nupur Kalra.
Hi, Vaseem.
She's a
Hi.
biker
Hi.
and an automobile enthusiast. We got to meet in an event,
Yeah,
MotoGP event we
MotoGP
met,
event, right.
and there we decided that we will make some reels together.
Good content for our viewers.
Good content for
Yeah.
our viewers. So Miss Nupur, can you please tell something about you and your passion about cars and why you are here with us?
Right. First of all, I am really happy to be collaborating with you because you are a big automobile enthusiast yourself, and I have been driving cars and bikes both since last 20 years. So don't guess my age, guys. But yeah, I've been doing both. So I am really passionate about any kind of automobile. It can be a bike, it can be a car.
You drive both?
I drive both. I've been cycling when I was I think 7 years. So be it cycle, be it cars, be it bikes, I love everything.
So would you be interested now doing some automobile content?
Definitely. I'm looking forward to be making some good content with you on these luxury cars, which I think everybody wants to own it.
Okay, so let me show you the cars which they have got. You drive me crazy.
Right.
Under one roof, you will get 8 V8 engines cars, which is, I don't think so that would be available anywhere in India.
That's amazing.
So 8 V8 engine cars. Okay.
Yeah.
So first, let me show you a walk around.
Let's do a walk around. Yeah.
Sure. How did you like this place? Like the kind of collections they have got?
I think I am in just awe of this collection of luxury cars here. They have some very not seen cars here. They are not there in most of the showrooms and most of the luxury pre-owned dealerships.
Multi-brand, pre-owned,
Yes.
and all are exotic cars. Like.
Definitely.
So Nupur, if you will be given an opportunity to own a car, maybe in a near future, not right now, maybe in a near future.
Yeah.
So which car would you like to buy from You Drive Me Crazy?
I think it's a very difficult choice, but
let's have a walk around and then decide.
Yeah, definitely.
After having a look at all the cars, which car would you like to own?
I think this is the one which is going to be my first choice. Lamborghini
Is it because of the color or because of the beauty?
You can't deny that it's a beauty, but I'm going to choose this because it's just a blend of a supercar and it has all the functionality of an SUV. So this is going to be my first choice, and it also has a V8 engine with 4000cc engine.
Right.
So,
and it can sprint from 0 to 100 in just 3.3 seconds.
Oh my god, that's amazing. And I've heard that the top speed of this car is 336 kilometers per hour.
306 kilometers per hour.
So it's going to be amazing driving this car.
So it is not just because of the beauty, functionality
definitely.
is also there.
It's a beauty with brain. It's a beauty with brain.
Of course, it is Lamborghini Uru.
Right.
So you have talked about under the hood, about the color and the beauty.
Right.
Let me show you the interiors of the cars. It comes with frameless doors, of course.
That's amazing.
Just have a look at the interiors.
Yeah.
So if you will be given this car, where would you like to go first?
I'm gonna go out of Delhi and NCR because it's so much polluted here. So I'm gonna go to hills, mountains, because I love mountains. I love driving mountains.
Have you gone for a long tour yourself?
Yes, definitely. I've gone to Goa from Gurgaon. So it was a 30 days drive
from Gurgaon to
Goa and back to Gurgaon. So it was an amazing drive in 2019, which I went.
Okay. And you drove yourself?
I drove myself. I drove an XUV. Yeah.
Great. So I would like to request all my viewers and followers to follow Ms. Nupur Kalra page as well. Link is given in the caption so that you can see some valuable content, I believe, on sports cars and on sports bikes. You will be covering many events in a near future and we will be making reels together. I hope that this collaboration will work out for both of us and for our viewers as well. So thank you, Nupur. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vaseem. I look forward to be showing some great content on our page and do some great work together.